Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Buick Enclave. First, gather your tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and a ratchet. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts. Next, locate your alternator, usually found on the front of the engine, making it accessible for removal. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use your serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect all electrical connections attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block. Keep track of all hardware for reinstallation. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure it using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wiring, making sure each connection is snug. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the pulleys, including the new alternator. Before you finish, double-check all your connections and ensure the serpentine belt is perfectly seated on every pulley. Once everything looks good, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, especially the battery light. If it's off, your new alternator is working. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.